This hot water and wet steam pressure washer from NorthStar cleans faster by blasting through the dirtiest and greasiest projects more quickly and efficiently. Driven by a powerful GX390 Honda engine, this pressure washer sprays hot water up to 250 degrees at 4 gallons per minute and 3,000 PSI. A professional-grade direct drive cat pump gives you adjustable pressure for job versatility and is designed with high-performance ceramic plungers for maximum resistance to corrosion and abrasion. For reliable long-term performance, the coil assembly is fully encased in a custom-molded ceramic fiber refractory combustion chamber with low thermal conductivity and resistance to thermal shock. The Easy Start feature prevents pressure buildup for faster, more convenient starts. A sight glass lets you quickly check pump oil, while the diagnostic lights indicate proper operation. The 50-foot non-marking steel-braided rubber hose comes with a rear hose entry spray gun and 36-inch split lance that keeps the hose out of the way. It also includes a 5-pack of Quick Connect nozzles, a Quick Connect stream nozzle, and chemical injector. This pressure washer uses 2 fuel tanks, one for the gas engine and another for the 12V DC burner, which burns diesel, fuel oil, or kerosene. It all rolls smoothly on a sturdy steel frame with 14-inch pneumatic tires. Clean through the dirtiest and greasiest projects with this hot water and wet steam pressure washer from NorthStar.